We are heading out in our matching jean jackets to go to a lunch show. It's supposed to be fancy. We just watched A Christmas Story at the oldest operating diner theater in the United States. We've made it back to our awesome campsite, but now we're gonna make another jaunt to the beach. Back to the beach, baby. Hey there, buddy. Yeah, it looks like you grabbed a kid. That's not nice. The shell of one of those things that skirts around the water. It's terrifying. Yo, we're in Florida. It's 8:15 p.m. and we're just chilling with our screen door open because it's like 67 degrees. That's beautiful.
What do you think of this?
I think it is quite cute. Well, I forgot to end the vlog last night because we watched the movie and went to bed, but I will see you in the next one. Peace.